The Hotwav R6 Pro tablet is a powerful device that can handle a variety of tasks. It is perfect for those who want the best of both worlds, a beautiful design exterior for office and a rugged build perfect for the outdoors. It is also designed to resist shocks, drops and water. Its 10.1-inch display makes it perfect for watching movies, playing games or browsing the web. Powerful hardware for the main task and incredible 15,1600 mAh battery that lasts for days make this tablet a must-have. But that's not all. The Hotwav R6 Pro tablet giveaway runs from the 28th September to 28 October, and it's your chance to win a powerful and versatile device. Even if you are not that lucky, you can still buy it at big discount. The R6 Pro will be launched in the early November on AliExpress. In the first few days of this launch, there will be a big discount, and the price will be around just $230. The launch date will be made public at the end of October, so please stay tuned and don't miss it out. And don't forget to visit the official giveaway links below this video. See you soon, bye!